I have 2 minutes to give you tips on photographing wildflowers, which actually apply to any flowers. They don't have to be wild. They can be tame. I'm going to cover lighting, composition, and much, much more. So here we go. First, lighting. It's best to shoot early or late in the day when the sun is low in the sky, or if it's overcast. But midday will work too, as long as you have a neutral density filter. For more information on neutral density filters, watch our tutorial on neutral density filters. Next, composition. What do you want to include in your picture? Do you want to get an image of the whole scene or individual flowers? To shoot the whole scene, use a wide-angle lens and put your camera on a tripod. Our big tip, take a variety of shots, a bunch, so that you have lots to choose from. Vary your position and angle. Go to the right, go to the left, go low, go even lower. Step back. Move forward, but please don't trample the flowers. Vary your focus points as well. Here's another tip. Add some interest, such as trees, buildings, people, pets, etc. Now, if your wide angle isn't wide enough, you can do a panorama. For more information on that, watch our video tutorial on creating panoramas. Now, for isolating individual flowers, put your camera on a tripod and use either a telephoto or macro lens. Use a wide aperture and focus on a flower that has a nice background. Our big tip, make sure that you pick a flower that isn't all ratty, that's in good shape. That's important. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want to take a beautiful portrait of somebody and find out they had spinach stuck in their teeth. Oh, stand by. This is a special announcement for any type of flower photography. We have a wind warning. It's often breezy out there, so get the right shutter speed. Start with 1/200th of a second and go up from there. Now here's our best tip. Review your pictures in the field. Zoom in on your images and make sure that they are sharp. If not, increase your shutter speed. Don't go home and discover that your pictures of the once-in-a-decade super bloom are all blurry. That would never happen to me. Would you like to find out more information on shooting wildflowers? Come into Horn Photo and ask our experts. Got the picture?